Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to split packages in WooCommerce. If you're managing orders with multiple items that require different shipping methods, our tool can save you a lot of time and help streamline your shipping process. Let's get into it. Which plugins do you need? To get started, you'll need the Shipping Packages plugin by Octolize. This powerful tool is essential for managing complex shipping scenarios where multiple items in an order require different shipping methods. For whom is this plugin designed? Handling shipping for stores with diverse products can be tricky. If your order contains items that need different shipping methods, like fragile products, bulky goods, or small accessories, shipping everything together might not be the most efficient or cost-effective approach. This is where the Shipping Packages plugin comes in. It allows you to divide your products into separate packages, each with its own shipping method. This ensures the best handling for each product, reducing the chance of delays or damage. How does Shipping Packages work? After installing the plugin, you can configure it directly in your WooCommerce settings. Once set up, it enables you to define specific shipping packages for each shipping class. Plugin compatibility. The Shipping Packages plugin offers great flexibility, as it is fully compatible with all Octolize products and also with the built-in shipping methods provided by WooCommerce. Furthermore, it seamlessly integrates with shipping methods from third-party plugins, allowing you to customize your shipping strategy to suit your specific business requirements. This ensures that no matter which shipping solutions you're using, the plugin will adapt to your store's needs, giving you full control over your shipping processes. Usage examples. Case 1. Let's consider an example with an order that includes a large TV, a set of TV mounts. Without splitting the order into packages, you would be forced to apply the same shipping method to everything. However, the TV requires a freight service, while the mounts can be shipped with a standard method. Here's how Shipping Packages and Flexible Shipping Pro can help. Step 1. Assign the appropriate shipping class to the TV, for example, Large Shipping TV. For the mounts, assign a different shipping class, like Accessories TV Mounts. Step 2. In the Flexible Shipping method, set up the corresponding shipping rates for each class. Step 3. Indicate in the Shipping Packages plugin which shipping classes should split. That's it. Now let's test how the plugin automatically splits the order into two packages, each with its own shipping method. This way, each product gets the right shipping, ensuring accurate charges and more transparent fulfillment. Case 2. Let's say you're using a live rates shipping method, such as UPS, and you want most items in your store to use live rates for shipping. However, you have one shipping class that requires pallet shipping with a fixed shipping rate. You can easily set this up using a combination of the Shipping Packages and Conditional shipping methods plugins. Here's how. Step 1. Assign the appropriate shipping classes to your products. For example, create a pallet shipping class for products that need pallet delivery and a UPS shipping class for items that will be shipped via UPS. Step 2. In the Conditional shipping method plugin, set up the corresponding rules. For instance, when shipping class in the package equals pallet, then use pallet shipping. For shipping classes that need to be shipped via UPS, set a rule like, when shipping class in the package equals UPS shipping, then use UPS. Step 3. Indicate in the Shipping Packages plugin which shipping classes should split. Test how the system works in practice to ensure that each product is assigned the correct shipping method based on its shipping class. This will ensure that items requiring pallet shipping use the fixed rate, while others are shipped using UPS live rates. That's it for today's video. I hope this helped clarify how the Shipping Packages plugin can make your shipping process smoother and more efficient. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WooCommerce tips. Thanks for watching.